Good afternoon. Radio Man here. So today, wasn't that just figure? Hold on. Turn that down. Jesus, Mercury. Turn it down some more. Alright. I was doing a live stream the other day. I don't remember what I was doing. But I think you guys saw the video where I broke my squelch pot off trying to remove the knobs. So, Hammer Jockey Radio, look him up on YouTube. Maybe I'll put a mention to him in the description. I subscribe to him, he subscribes to me, and he says, hey man, I got one of those. I'll send it to you for free. Just send me back a Radio Man sticker. And you know, I always thought that was kind of fun. I see Wagon Master kind of does that. They exchange some stuff, and oh, who else? Dirty Diaper does that. There's a few guys do that. I think it's kind of fun. And I said, sure, why not? And so I'm gonna do a little video here. And I know a lot of you guys really like the screwdriver squelch control, but that's gonna go away. So this radio I'm gonna leave largely stock. I'm just cleaning it. I'm only gonna fix what's broken on it. I'm not gonna do any mods to it or anything, other than maybe turning it down for running it into an amp. But I do need to replace this meter. It doesn't work. It's in-op. Other than that, maybe I'll contact that Gamma Ray graphics guy. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but there's some paint and stuff peeling on here. No big deal. But I've used this radio for a couple days and it works beautifully. Cleaned it up. I got to get a little cleaning in the speaker there. So anyways, figured I'd open this up. Get out my letter opener here. I guess we gotta do this so you guys can see it on video, huh? Oh, maybe Hammer Jockey sent me one of those Black and Milds that he's always smoking. Let's see. Huh? Oh, he sent me a surprise. I thought, oh, we'll do this, you know, kind of like a good strip tease. We'll kind of roll this out here, huh? Oh, look at that. He even sent me geez, this looks new. Oh no, it's not new, but it's clean. Perfect. So I'll do a video when I change it out. I think this whole front panel is gonna have to come off. I'll probably deox out the controls. This one's a little funky. I went to turn the radio on one day and it was deader than a mackerel. So I'll probably do a video of me taking this apart and you know, just a little basic repair video. So anyways, he sent me that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I might put that. I gotta see if I can do this here on video. Well, you've probably seen my other videos. I'm not going to mess with the camera right now. I got Dirty Diaper sticker up on there. I got a big equipment cabinet. I'll stick that. Oh, hold on. I'll get my hand out of the way there. Well, that's cool, man. Let's put that right there for the rest of the video. Let's see. Anything else? Oh, you little bastard. You did send me a Black and Mild. Look. Just kidding. No Black and Mild. So anyways, I got something heading back to you there, Hammer Jockey, and this is fun. You know, I think more people should do this on YouTube. Oh, and I'll show you guys in my video, right? Can I do it on camera? Yeah, this right here. I can't. Holy crap! It's all backwards. There. Some people thought I actually had that placed on the table. I've done that in different videos. That's digitally placed in the software I use. But I have stickers like that I had made up. And, you know, I give them out to some of the locals. They thought it was kind of funny. And I got the idea from. Whoa, geez, I better. You don't want to be waving that around. That's these nice vintage radios. Put that back in there. This is one of these goddamn thing. It's I forget what they call this, but it's. Why is that going in so weird? You guys probably making people nervous. That's supposed to give a nice click when it goes in. It's not. Some. All right, we'll investigate that off video before I generate a 911 call. So, anyways, thank you, Hammer Jockey. Something's coming back to you, and I'll investigate this. Why is that? It's supposed to make a nice when it pops in. It's not doing it. I don't want to do it on camera. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe it's because I'm on camera. Anyways, guys, thanks very much. This is Radio Man, Unit 260 out of Southern Maine. And we'll have some other... Sometimes I try to do goofy videos. Sometimes I try to do stuff. I keep it light with the technical stuff. I think that benefits more people. Because the guys that are really at the higher level, they know what they're looking for. They know how to find it. The newer people or people that want to dabble in this stuff, I think the basic... the everyday handyman type stuff. Replacing... I already lost it. Where did it go? Replacing something like this is definitely within the means of the basic, CB repair guy. This is something most guys should handle with a soldering iron and patience. So I'll get this in, and I'm going to get some meters, and maybe I'll wait. Maybe I'll just... I think people like the shorter videos, like try to keep them down to like 15 minutes and under. I think people like that. So anyways, guys, if you don't mind, just let me know in the comments other videos that you guys might like to see me do, and or ideas or anything like that, or if people want to do stuff like this, let me know. We can figure something out with that. I think that's everything. Oh, and I am trying to actively grow the channel. So if you guys think, don't spam it out there, but if you think there's anyone that might be interested in the channel, let them know. Maybe, I don't know, try to keep it light, try to keep it fun here. So anyways, Radio Man 260. Oh, here's one of my stickers right there. See? Put it on my Yeti. And I got Dirty Diapers right there on the other side. And then I got AVE. He's not a CB guy, but he's a good YouTube channel. So anyways, guys, take care. Radio Man out.